Hello friends, welcome to Knowledgehut. We help professionals to reinvent their career with more than 200 courses. In today's video, you are going to learn about the Agile user stories. So let's begin. A user story is a short and simple description of a feature told from the perspective of the person who desires the new capability. What does it mean? Let us try to understand with an example. Imagine you are using an app on your phone. Now, you like the app, but you would love to have an additional feature in this app. How would you describe your wish to the developer of the app? You will say something like, I want to have X functionality so that I am able to get Y benefit. While creating a user story, you write in the exact same way. The only additional thing is that you also need to tell about the type of user you are. Let us clarify this with a few more examples. As a user, I can view the license terms before purchasing or subscribing, so that I know what I'm getting. As an app user, I can read FAQs, so I can get quick answers. As a website admin, I want all the offers to get unpublished on the website after 7 days of publishing, so that the expired offers are not still listed if I forget to delete them. In all these examples, it is clear that, who want the features? What features do they want, and what benefits will they get with the additional functionality? User stories provide many benefits in software development. Here are some of them. User stories help in delivering value to the customer. User stories talk about the immediate customer needs. Because of this, the features implemented and delivered to the end user deliver the highest value. User stories enable a project to be quickly adjustable. Since user stories help in adding small features one by one, it becomes easier for the developing team to steer towards new direction if it is required. User stories increase the collaboration of end user. Since user stories are short, people involved in the project need more explanation from the end user to clearly understand the story. This increases user collaboration. User stories are followed by acceptance criteria. Acceptance criteria clarifies the end user that in which situations the story will be fulfilled. They are a list of requirements. They are written in given, when, then format. Let us see an example for a clearer understanding. Suppose there is a story for a website user which goes like this. As a logged out user, I want to be able to sign into the website, so that I can see my previous transactions. Now the acceptance criteria for this story can go something like this. The registered user signs in with valid username and password, given I am logged out from the website, and I am on the sign-in page. When I fill in the username and password fields with my valid credentials, and I click the sign-in button, then I get signed into the website. Acceptance criteria help in creating clear understanding between the developers and the clients about when and how the features will work. The client understands what to expect from the project, and hence the chances of miscommunication between the parties get reduced. So this was all about user stories and acceptance criteria. We hope that we helped you in understanding the concept. We provide many different pieces of training in the field of Agile and Scrum. Visit our website to give a leap to your career and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.